Hello, hi, namaste. I welcome you all to my channel. Myself Raju Hegde. Today we are going to learn about reinforcement machine learning, one of the most used method, and it's in very much discussion nowadays. Reinforcement learning involves an agent that interacts with its environment by producing actions and discovers error or rewards. So it's like being stuck in an isolated island where you must explore the environment and learn how to live and adapt to the living condition on your own. Means model learns through the hit and trial method. It learns on the basis of reward or penalty given for every action it performs. For example, many robots implement reinforcement learning algorithm to learn how to walk. So this picture is self-explanatory. Like, if once the agent touches fire, he'll get negative 50 points. So the policy is, he's to touch water when he finds fire. So a formal definition of reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is all about learning from mistakes. Positive actions will get reward and negative actions will get punishment. Its goal is to minimize the error, not to predict all the moves. Surviving in an environment is a core idea of reinforcement learning. Okay, there are two different methods or models used: memorize all the moves, and second one is this we call as a model based, and second one is model free. That means will act as per situation and will get reward accordingly. The one of the famous example is DeepMind's AlphaGo program. It made headline in March 2016 when it beat the world champion Lee Sedol at the game of Go. It learned its winning policy by analyzing millions of games and then playing many games against itself. But here note that learning was turned off during the games against the champion. AlphaGo was just applying the policy it had learned. So the reinforcement learning focuses on a balance between exploration and exploitation, means unknown territory and current knowledge. It monitors the response of action taken through trial and error and measures the response against the reward. So this is all about reinforcement learning. In my next video, we'll talk about the flow of data through the machine learning model and different steps which we need to follow to get insight from the data. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Thank you.